Welcome to the EPROM 9. Hello and welcome to the EPROM 9. So this is something that I found absolutely ages back when I was looking for pinouts to build my own joypad for the Atari ST. Go to history. Browse down it to yesterday, and it should be here somewhere. Yes, it's on the monitor. There's no dirty stuff to see. I delete that, especially after what happens at college. Now, where the hell is it? Here we go. Well, to search in the pinouts for the Atari joysticks, it's one of these. There we go, that's straight off the Google link. And so I bring it into your view. Now this should get a few laughs. I am not kidding, folks. An Atari 2600 vibrator. I posted it on Facebook, but my mum didn't like. But my mum insisted I removed it, even though it was utterly hilarious. And well, we come across one of the more interesting websites, shall we say. So let's play. I'll also put a link in the description to this. Let's give you an idea of what this is. Also, I highly recommend you watch that link because this is funny. It is hilarious. And of course it has full DIY steps, just in case, well, you have a need to build one yourself. Yes, I found this ages ago looking for pinouts, and well, it attracted attention. So that's a little bit of randomness, vintage gaming, novelty. Bring back the joy in joysticks, hey? Thanks for watching.